VRAM, or Video Random Access Memory, is a specialized type of memory essential for storing image data displayed by computers, primarily found in graphics cards. Unlike standard RAM, which is designed for general data storage, VRAM is optimized for high-speed image processing, making it crucial for rendering images, animations, and videos. Its architecture features a dual-ported structure that allows simultaneous reading and writing of data, enabling the GPU to access and modify data without delays, which is vital for maintaining high frame rates and reducing lag during the complex graphics tasks. Various types of VRAM exist, each tailored for specific performance needs. SGRAM, Synchronous Graphics RAM, is optimized for texture mapping, enhancing the handling of graphical data, while GDDR, Graphics Double Data Rate, is designed for high-speed data transfer, making it suitable for modern graphics applications. Understanding VRAM's functionality and architecture is essential for making informed decisions regarding hardware needs in electronics and computer engineering.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.